Okay, so here we are in the Parisian, and we're just kind of coming in, and we're gonna go around in the lobby, and then we'll tell you all more about it. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are in the Parisian. So let's just see here. We're gonna see where we can go. This looks more like a lobby area. Nice chandeliers. But we're gonna be walking into the, I think we're walking towards, looks like food court, shops, Eiffel Tower. So we're gonna walk into all of it. And we'll also just tell you about what's going on. Oh, okay, this is perfect. This is the food court. You'll see how empty it is. Hopefully the music doesn't stop my filming. It's empty. So yeah, we're at COVID times. So this is end of July right now. And this is basically what it looks like. This is a Monday, of course. So yeah, the food court's almost empty. It's a little bit after lunch. It's like 2 o'clock now. So you might not be able to see. Okay, let's see. So this is actually one of my favorite ramen places when I'm on the Cotai strip. I go there almost all the time, but today I had this kind of beef cubes. There's also in a Japanese restaurant, but before I was living in Macau, I used to live in Japan, so I have a really strong taste buds for Japanese and Korean food. So I lived in both of them for so long. I was in Korea for in and out of 12 years, and I was in Japan for 5.5 years, so. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is try to navigate towards the, Eiffel Tower. And we're gonna see if we can go up there today. I'll also give you a little update on what's going on in Macau. Basically, nobody's coming in or out. There's most of mainland China can now come into Macau, but I can't go there. I think Macau people can go there if they're Chinese Macau people. But a foreigner like me, I have a residency and I have a China visa, but they won't let me into. I'm not allowed to go into China, so I can't visit there, even though it's right across the border. But they can come here. So basically, we have over 1 billion people that can come here now. So right now we have 0 COVID, and Hong Kong just exploded with COVID. They have over 100 a day for the last 10 days or so. So now it's, I don't know what people in Macau think, because, you know, Hong Kong is getting out of control. And then it's kind of weird that China is supposed to be like COVID free, and Macau is COVID free. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. Anyways, we're gonna try to go up in the Eiffel Tower. But for me, you know, like I can't even leave this city. But you can have tourists come here who might have COVID, so it's like, well, we can't go anywhere and we have no COVID, but people who, anyways. Other people are kind of curious about, this is where we're gonna go in a minute, Eiffel Tower. Other people are curious when foreigners are gonna be allowed back in Macau. I don't think it's gonna happen until, just see if we can even get in here, Eiffel Tower entrance. I don't think it's gonna happen until there's a vaccine. So when can a foreigner from the United States or Europe come to Macau? Not anytime soon. They can't even get that bubble going between here and Hong Kong to even allow us to go there. So, and that applies to all the locals. So a local Macau person can't go to Hong Kong, even if they have a residency in Hong Kong. They can, but they have a 14-day quarantine. Looks like we're gonna be able to go in today. This is gonna be pretty cool. Huh. This is my first time to come into this Eiffel Tower here in the Parisian, so we'll just bring the camera with us. I'll walk up the steps a little bit so we can get it moving a little faster. Oh, and there's a ticket line there. Okay. Well, I'll turn on the camera later when we get through all of it. Special promotion, okay. Okay, I got my ticket ready, so we're going to be exploring the Eiffel Tower of the Parisian, so let's go check it out. So we're going to be going to that tower in a minute. Let's just kind of see what's around here first. So yeah, we got our ticket. It was 75 mop, which is about $9, a little less than $10, $9.25 or something in American dollars. Okay, so looks like we got some tourists now, so let's check it out. Yeah, I don't know what to think. There's the tower right there. Got a little artisan Parisian Paris bicycle, which is kind of funny because I see these kind of stuff in Japan and everywhere now. Bikes are just kind of photogenic. Okay, it's probably more amazing at nighttime. Have your ticket ready? It's kind of cool. So is this one. Looks pretty cool too. Charlie Chaplin. That's some iconic images here. So it looks like we're going to be heading up. And we'll check it all out in a minute. Yeah, I think it'd be better in the evening. And there's the Cotai strip right there. Angels. Dang. All these locks. Yeah, this would be more amazing at nighttime, I think. City. Huh, there's like even a little water park over there. I didn't realize that was there. Parisian. Okay, I'm just gonna walk around the periphery real quick. Huh. So I can see all the construction that they're doing. Kind of want to get into the shade here, but yeah, they're doing lots of construction. There you can see more stuff. So this one is Sands, but it's also going to be like the Londoner, so they're making it all one big facade to the Londoner in the future. Huh. Okay, well anyways. That's the elevator that goes straight up to the top. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to turn this off for now. but it's overlook the Londoner. So we're back from the Parisian. A little bit of camera problem there, so, but anyways, I got the camera charged up a little bit, the battery, and there's a guy walking around here. Kind of the only guy. Usually there's lots of guys like this walking around everywhere in the Parisian. Looks like he's gonna join those kids. So maybe we'll go and just try to catch it a little bit. It's kind of cool. It's really cool.
Ladies first.
Ladies first. Ladies first.
Hello. Okay, so we're gonna explore a little bit further, and we're gonna go towards this food court again, and then we're going to try to find a few other things around. But actually, that guy that was there, that was pretty typical back when, before COVID. You'd have those kind of people walking around, like performer types, kind of walking around, and it was pretty cool. So anyways, those days are suspended, I guess is the right word. Suspended for now. Then you have the food court, it's almost empty. Then you can also notice there's one chair per each table. So that's one of the COVID restrictions, is they take out half the chairs. In the past, usually what they would do here is like this would have 6 chairs, and you might use one chair, but that means that 5 other people can come up anytime. So you might have all kinds of people sitting at your same table, or let's say that there's 2 of you, or 3 of you, or 4 of you, and then you might grab 2, 3, 4 of those chairs, and then other random people would just come up and grab the other ones, and they'll just sit with you as if you're all at the same table. So so it can be kind of breathing on everybody all the time. It's not really a Macau thing that they do that. I think it's a mainland China thing. But most of the tourists in these casinos are usually from the mainland China anyways, so. Okay, anyway. What else can I say about the Venetian? You're getting a feel for how quiet and empty it is. Convenience store right in this small area. And I think you're getting a pretty good feel for it. So I don't think I will film just the randomness of it, but you can definitely see that it's relatively empty. Okay. Yep, largely empty. You can feel the emptiness. So yeah, it's July. I don't know. Supposedly mainland tourists can come back, but I also heard that there's quarantines for one of the directions. I'm not sure which, so technically they can come, but it's not easy for them to come if there's a 14-day quarantine in any direction. I thought they waived both of them, but I also heard some other thing that makes it a little bit difficult. So I don't know the whole story, but yeah, I don't really see that many tourists. I see some, but not that many. And it's hard to know the story of the some that I see. Like I don't know if they come from far away or if they're just across the border, or more or less. Anyways, the battery is not gonna last that long, so let's charge it up a little bit to film a little bit. So let's just end it right there. So yeah, this is the Parisian.